Welcome once again on our YouTube channel. This is the online course and online learning. Today you are together with teacher Emmanuel. Today we are now going to talk about operations on number base. As you know, mathematics have 4 operations, including addition, multiplication, division, and also subtraction, of course. So today we are now going to talk about how can we make the addition in a number base in different bases. How can we perform subtraction in different bases? How can we perform multiplication, division, the things like that. So you are most welcome, and remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel in order to make to be easy to be notified for any videos comes on the channel, and every day be on track and share our videos, like it, comment in a space comment, in order to show us that we are together. So you are welcome, and let us start with some examples related to those operations in a number base. We have first addition here. I've said that we deal with addition, we deal with subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's start with the example about addition of number base. As you see, we have an example here saying that we are asked to add 257 base 8 with 462 base 8. So how do we perform those kind of numbers? So let's do it and follow. So addition is easy as that. You have to take 7 plus 2. You know that 7 plus 2 is 9. Because we are doing in number base, there is no number which can be greater than the base we are doing in. So every number must be less than the given base. Here we are working in base 8. So 9 is a number which is greater than 8. We have to change. You have to change the number to become less than 8. So take 9, we divide by 8, of course. We put there 1. 1 times 8 is 8, minus, you have 1. So you write a remainder which is 1, and you preserve 1 there. Remember that we are in base 8. Fine. So 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 also is greater than 8. You have to change it. 12 divided by 8, put there 1, we have 8, and then minus, we have 4. So you write there the remainder, which is 4, and preserve value 1. So now 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 4 is 7. Of course, 7 is less than 8. Write there 7 to mean that the 257 base 8 plus 462 base 8 will be equal to 741 base 8. Wonderful. So let's see the next example in order to be well memorized and well understanding. Here another example is to make summation about 122 base 9 with 85 base 9. Good. So here we have 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 is less than 9. We are working in base 9. Good. So then 2 plus 8 is 10, and 10 is greater than 9. So we have to exchange. Then you divide by 9. Here we put there 1 and we have 9 minus we have 1. So you write a remainder which is 1 and you preserve 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. To mean that 122 base 9 plus 85 base 9 will be equal to 217 base 9. I think the things are going well and you are very understanding what we are doing, what we are working. Remember, we are performing operation of number base of different bases. Those are processes you will use always when you are working in any given base. So let us see how can we subtract the number base. So let's start with this. We have 154 base 6 minus 51 base 6. Now is a turn of subtraction. You understand? Good. Here, as you see, we have 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is of course 3. We are working in the base under base 6 is a 3. 5 minus 5 is of course 0. Yes. And also you have there 1. Very easy. To mean 154 minus 51 under base 6 is 103. That is the solution. Very good. And now we have another example about subtraction. We have there 403 base 6 minus 54 base 6. Is easy. You take, of course, 3 minus 4 is it can't exist in these numbers we are performing. So we blow from there, from 4, and we have there 3. And you see the next number is 0, because we are blowing base 6. Here we would have 5. Wonderful. And the 6 there. You see, we are blowing from 4 because this one is a 0. So what we blow is a 6 because we are working in the base 6, and the 6 will be here. And again we blow in a 6 there. We remain with a 5 and the 6 will be there. And I think it's very understandable. So then, by subtracting, you have to take what you have brought, you add to this. 3 plus 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 there, subtracting by 4 is 9 minus 4 is 5. 5. Remember, we are doing under base 6. Wonderful. And now, 5 minus 5 minus 5 is 0. Good. And we pull down this 3 to mean 403 base 6 minus 54 base 6 is equal to 305 base 6. Very good. Now let's continue. And I think these things are very, very understandable. Now we have to perform this under base 9. Under base 9. Fine. 3. We have 103 base 9 minus 86 base 9. Take 3 minus 6 is not possible, so then we blow from 1, we remain with a 0, and here on this 0, because we are in base 9, we'll have there 8, and here we'll have 9, of course. I think it's well understandable. And if you meet with other challenge, please comment in our comment section, and we will work on for the next videos. Don't be ashamed and don't be broken with something. Ask us and give us an ideas and even opinions to more do what is in your wishes. Well, very good. So 9 plus 3, we will have there 12, and 12 minus 6, of course we have a 6. Remember, we are working in base 9. So there we have 0 minus 8 minus 8 is 0, and we have there 0, of course, to mean that 103 base 9 minus 86 base 9 is equal to 6 base 9. Very good. I think we are all together, and you are having new things, and the way of performing it. That is our wishes. And always remember to subscribe on our channel. Of course, share and do comment on what can be in next session, to be well understand mathematics as a basic knowledge in our living lives. So the next one, let us perform about multiplication. One example on multiplication. It's a easy multiplication process. Remember, we have started with the addition, subtraction. Now is about multiplication. When we are multiplying, we do as usual. We have 45 base 6 times 23 base 6, of course. 3 times 5. 3 times 5 will be 15. So 15, as you understand, is more than 6. So you have to take 15 and you exchange it. We divide by 6. We put there 2, and you have 12 minus remaining with a 3. So as you see, we have a remainder 3 and the quotient 2. So we write there a remainder, which is a 3. Remember, we are working under base 6. So we preserve 2 there. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. So also we exchange 14 by 6, because we are working in base 6. We put there 2. 2 is 12, and we have remainder of 2. So we have 2. Of course, you write a remainder and 2, because there is no other number to multiply with. Wonderful. So now 2 times 5 is 10. You have also to exchange 10. 10 we divide by 6. We put there 1. We have a 6 minus is a 4. Of course, we'll have a 4 there, and you preserve the 1 number. So now 2 times 4 is 8, and 1 is 9. So 9 divided by 6, put there 1 as a 6 minus, we have a 3. And as you see, we will have a 3, 1 there. We are working under base 6. Of course, we will put down this 3. We are in base 6. So 2 plus, because here is a plus, 2 plus 4 is a 6. We exchange by dividing. It will be 0, 1. We have remainder of 0 and 1 there. 1 plus 2 is a 3, plus 3 is a 6. Of course, we exchange it by dividing 6, divided by 6 is 1, remainder is 0, put there 0 and 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. To mean that 45 base 6 times 23 base 6 is equal to 2003 base 6. So thank you very much for watching us, our brethren. See you in next video, and remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel, share for those in need, and of course is helpful for subscribing. Thank you. See you in the next session. You are good.